Hello and welcome to the Residual Royalty Academy. My intention and goal with this channel is to show you how you can go from zero to over $1,000 per month in passive income by publishing books on Amazon. Now, there's plenty of people who I have taught this method with my online courses who have already achieved this. So if you want to be the next person, then join the Royalty Accelerator. That is the advanced KDP course that's going to show you how to really blow up your royalties. But what I want to talk about in today's video is whether reviews are important and how much they really matter when it comes to royalties for your KDP account. So the short answer is that it's not really going to help improve your sales by that much. I've had books that have sold over 100 copies and never had a review on them. And I've also had books that have a 5-star review, but I've not seen sales change too much as a result. So let's go to Amazon and have a look at some examples. This one here was published in March this year and it's ranked 375,000. So they've obviously been selling a fair few of these books and they've never had a review, which is quite common with Kindle publishing. We can see that this hippopotamus line journal is ranked 458,000 and it's never had a review since January when it was published. And this one here does have a review, but even though it has a review, it's not selling any better than this one because it's got a lower rank, which means that it's not selling as much. Now, as it says down here, a 5-star review can help your book get to the top of the search rankings. So let's just see, let me just show you what I mean. So you can see here that this one has 5 reviews and it's ranked 57,000. Now, that might be for a number of factors. Maybe they've used really good keywords, so it's getting found more often. Maybe it is because of the reviews, but personally in my experience, I've not seen the reviews help too much. The only time that I've seen reviews be so important is when they are negative. So a 1-star review could have a negative effect. A couple of months back, I had a notebook that sold at least every day, and somebody left a 1-star review saying that the book quality was flimsy and dusty, and sales very much decreased after I saw that review being left. But either way, there's nothing you can do about it. You can't answer to the review and you can't really get Amazon to take the review down. So the bottom line is just don't worry about it and definitely don't pay for review swaps. Pay for reviews or review your own books or get your friends to do them, because if you do any of these, you can get your KDP account banned, which is not what you want, okay? So just a heads up, there's no notifications or place to check for reviews unless you use an Author Central account. You often would just have to manually check your most popular books to see if you have any reviews. But as I say, either way, don't worry. Reviews are not going to make or break your KDP career. So the best thing you can do is just keep publishing books. And if you do get reviews that are good, then good. It might help your sales a little bit. And if you do see a 1-star review, it might decrease your sales a little bit, but it shouldn't really matter when you've got, 1,000, 2,000 books. There's always going to be other books that can carry you and help give you that passive income each and every month. So I hope that's been a useful video, just talking about my personal experience with reviews. If you want to see more videos from me, just hit the subscribe button. Uploads are every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and I appreciate you watching this one, and I'll see you next time.